In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from a watch-only wallet on Trust Wallet. The first thing you need to know is this. You cannot withdraw directly from a watch-only wallet in Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet's official support says a watch-only or view-only wallet is only for monitoring balances and transactions. It does not give you control to send or move the funds. So if you want to withdraw the crypto, you need access to the real wallet behind that address. That means you must have the wallet's secret phrase or private key. Trust Wallet's official guides explain that you can import a wallet using a secret phrase, or in some cases import it with a private key. Once you import the actual wallet, then you can use it normally and send the funds out. If you do not have the secret phrase or private key, then you will not be able to withdraw anything from that watch-only wallet. Also, be very careful with scammers. Trust Wallet specifically warns that nobody can unlock a watch-only wallet for you, and anyone asking you to send money to activate or release the funds is a scammer. So the simple answer is, you cannot withdraw from a watch-only wallet itself. You need to import the real wallet first using the correct recovery credentials, and only then can you transfer the funds. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.